Jude, it's your big boy bed. What do you think?
You like it?
What do you think, dude? Is it cool?
Oh, look at it.
Look at Lady.
Lady can go to sleep with you now. She doesn't have to be with us anymore.
Do you love it? You can climb in and out by yourself, like a big boy. Your bed.
Big boy bed.
Jude's bed? No, you don't jump. Isn't it cool, Jude? No, you don't want to jump in bed. You fall off if you jump.
Like the monkeys.